Hello there, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here with a project share. This is Simple Folios Style 1. This is the project that we worked on during one of my live classes, and I finished it, so I'm here to share it with you guys. So this is a standalone project, which I'll link you down below to Simple Folios Style 1, or it's a project that you can put into your memories. My camera's pretty close. Into your memories and things box. All right, so it fits right in here or in here. It depends if you want to make two of them or if you want to make one, and then the other side would be partitions for the things. So you can find, if you have the memories and the September CMC, the September CMC, you will find this project in your project folder. All right, so Simple Folios Style 1. And it says Style 1 because I'm going to have at least 4 or 5 more Simple Folios, which is what I normally do when I have a Style 1. So it's really cute. Look at this. I changed, you'll notice in your cutting guides that I changed this, the spine. So it's looking really, really fabulous. I made this gorgeous little charm or dangle down here. Really fun. This thing came out really cute and I love it. So we've got some fabulous photo mats here. All right, so I sewed around the photo mats. We have this double photo mat right here and then this room for journaling. I have a specific stamp that I want to put on here and I haven't taken the time to look for it, so it's blank, but I'm going to stamp some journaling lines on there. I also did a little tag and a little bead on this safety pin here. All right, so those go right in there into the pocket, and there's 3 of these. All right, so this one has less sewing on it. And of course, this is for your photos. And this one, the smaller one, this is for a little note if you want to journal on this. So it's just clipped right on there and tucked right in here. All right, so all of these have the same little dangles here, just really cute, lots of sentiments. This is featuring, once again, the Sew Fabulous collection. If you haven't had enough of this collection, I don't know. The back is exactly the same, so I'm not going to pull these out, but you have the same 3 photo mats there. There's your side profile. I could have jazzed this up a lot more, but like I'm putting this one specifically in my memories and things box. I want to be sure that it fits nicely in my project and in my box. If I jazz this up, it's not going to fit. It's going to be too tight. And then I did some corners here, and those look really fabulous. It completely elevates the look. So this is a really fun folio. It's a super easy, quick and easy to put together folio with, again, lots and lots of wow factors, right? So we've got photo mats in these 2 pockets here. So you can put a large photo here, or you can do the 3x3s as you see here. We've got a really fun slant on angle on this pocket here, and then a straight pocket at the top. Lots of embellishing. So really cute. Very, very cute. I adore the way everything came out. Lots of sentiments here. I love this. My sewing room brings me so much happiness. Just a girl who loves fabric. And then here we got good vibes. So this is the photo mat, right, that goes in here. So this one just pulls out and you can change it if you'd like to. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then each of these pockets has the same photo mat. Photo, of course, goes here. 4x6 photo in each of these pockets. And these I matted because I just have so much paper and paper is pretty, but these are for pictures. All right, so if you want to show the paper off, then you want to do a smaller picture and a bit of a collage perhaps, and leave it at that. But this is what I did with it. Just really, really darling. And all of these photo mats are exactly the same. So a fun play on a folio, a really nice compact size. And how fun is this little mini insert here? I love the way that this turned out. This is just a perfect, perfect way to jazz up a folio. I just love it. It's fantastic. It looks great. It lays nice and flat. And you have all sorts of fun interactive elements here for you to display your photos. And it just looks great. It really looks great. So if you're a lover and a fan of folios and you want something simple, quick, and easy to make, this is your guy right here, or your girl. It completely is. And it's just so cute. This collection has so much fun stuff. I mean, look at back here. You've got those same photo mats here. It says sewing forever, housework whenever. I love it. Just the sentiments alone are fabulous. But that's the So Fabulous collection. And then the simple folio. Those are two separate purchases, and you can find that in the description box below. And or you can, if you have the September CMC, then you get everything. All right, you got this, you got this, you got the paper included, and you got the mini album. All right. So many goodies in the September CMC. But I know that you guys, some of you guys don't like all these larger projects. You rather have the smaller projects. So this is a standalone item in my shop, and it's called Simple Minis. Simple Folios Style 1. I do have Simple Minis also. So the mini album, of course, is this one that I showed you in a different video. And it's so gorgeous. Everything is so beautiful and so gorgeous. I love the way that this turned out. So if you're interested in the whole shebang, September CMC, or if you're interested in this, it's Memories and Things. And if you're interested in this, this is the Simple Folios Style 1. And it is just dynamite. And I take you through the entire process, guys. Your cutting guide has everything to take you through the cutting process, and then my videos through the assembly process, and more videos through the matting process. So super darling. I hope you enjoy it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Check your links down below. If you love what you see on this channel, please give me a quick like or a comment. Let me know you're watching. I completely and truly appreciate it. Until next time.